Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a great recipe for you guys. I'm making spicy roasted shrimp. Now don't let shrimp intimidate you. I know a lot of people are intimidated by cooking seafood, but trust me, if your girl is making it, this is super easy and fast. Now I'm using raw shrimp. These are frozen. I have these defrosted. It's a baker's dozen, which is 13. You know, a dozen is 12. And these are peeled, deveined. The tail is off and they've already been cleaned. You need a little bit of olive oil. I'm using sriracha. You can use cayenne pepper, any kind of hot sauce or any kind of hot spice that you like, salt and pepper. And then I'm going to use my baking sheet. I've lined it with parchment paper, and I have my oven set to 450. You can have this on the table in 10 to 12 minutes. They only take about 10 to 12 to cook. So welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I'm going to go ahead and get the shrimp prepared, dry them off a little bit, and then I'll show you how you get them in the oven. And like I said, 15 minutes you'll have a nice meal. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, you know your girl does not like to cook, but I rest assured I have an easy recipe for you that's packed full of flavor, and you'll love it. So let me put you on pause. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I've got 13 shrimp here, and you want to start with just a little bit of olive oil to coat these. You don't need much. Go with that much, nothing measured. And then I'm going to toss this around in the olive oil. And like I said, a lot of people are intimidated by cooking seafood, but this recipe is easy, foolproof, and looks great if you want to have a party, appetizers. People are always impressed when you have shrimp, and it's not that hard to make. And these are just for me. That's why I have a baker's dozen. I'm using sriracha because I love sriracha, and this will make it nice and spicy. Now I'm just mixing this up in the sriracha sauce, like so. Get them all coated. And then I'm going to line these on the parchment paper. And I have my oven at 450 degrees. And I'm going to set the timer. And in 15 minutes, I'll have some nice shrimp just for myself. My husband's not a big seafood eater. Like I said, he'll do cod, fish, but that's about it. And so these are for me. It's only 13, so this is like a quick snack for me. It's not like it's a meal. You can make these and serve them with bread. Over a salad would be delicious. If you want to pop them on top of a salad. Down in New Orleans, they call them po' boys. They put them on bread with lettuce and a bunch of other ingredients, and got a nice sandwich. So there you have it. They're all set and ready to go. See how quick that is? So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to put these in the oven for about 12-15 minutes. And remember, you know I tell a joke. I upload 2 videos a week. I include an inspirational quote, and I always tell a controversial joke. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, put these in the oven, and come back in 10 minutes and see how quick they are. They'll be done. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, it's been about 12 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get the shrimp out of the oven. And there you have it. You see they're opaque, they're curled, that lets you know that they're done. You don't want to overcook them because they become rubbery. And next time you have a party or have guests over, go ahead and impress them and serve spicy roasted shrimp. They'll thank you. So let me turn the camera around and get ready to tell you guys my joke. There you have it. See, they're all beautifully roasted. 12 minutes in the oven at 450, and I forgot to tell you, I use the top rack. For those of you that don't know, the hottest part of the oven is the top rack because heat rises. So let me tell you my joke. An alcoholic, a nymphomaniac, and a stoner all die and are going to heaven. When they get to the pearly gates, Peter completely loses his temper. He says, "I'm so sick of you sinners just being allowed in just because you went to church every Sunday. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to see if you deserve to be in heaven. I'm going to lock each of you in your own room with your vice. If you can be in there for 1 year without touching it, I'll let you in." So he sets the alcoholic up in a room that stretches as far as the eye could see, and all the shelves with the finest liquor ever made. Peter sets the nympho up with a room that is full of gorgeous, flirty virgins. There's even a heart-shaped bed in there. Lastly, the stoner is set up with a room that has never-ending supply of the best weeds. A year goes by and he checks on the alcoholic and he is passed out on the floor, and every drop of alcohol is gone. He's going to hell. Peter checks on the nympho, and everybody in there is exhausted from sex, and there's stains all over the bed. The nympho is sent to hell. He checks on the stoner, and the stoner's just sitting in the room, sober as can be. None of the weed has been touched. Peter says, "Oh my God, of all of you, you are the one I least expected to succeed. How did you do it?" The stoner says, "Got a light." I know, ain't that crazy? But anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, share, comment, and let me know if you got some tips for me. Put me up on some stuff, because like I said, I'm not a chef. I just cook out of necessity. I don't even really consider myself a cook. But thanks for watching. God bless, and hope to see you on the next one.